Hi guys, today we learn how to install Git in Centos7. The command for it is yum install git -y. One single command to install all your Git packages. Git is installed. We'll check the version. Git -version. Okay, we got the version. I'll just config it. Git config -global user.name. I'll give my name. Email. Just check the list. Git config -list. So I'm done with installing Git in this. In the next session, we'll learn how to work on Git. If you like this video, just click that subscribe button and click the like.